Hi, welcome to freenetworkstudy.com. Today we'll be configuring static routing, and in this environment we have two hosts, host 1 and host 2, that need to be able to ping each other. We also have three routers, and the routers are just configured with IP addresses but nothing else. So basically we'll be configuring static routes everywhere, making sure that the hosts can reach each other. First of all, let's start by checking reachability on host 1. Let's see if we can ping host 2 and can't. Let's see if we can ping host 1's gateway. That's successful. Do the same test here on host 2. Gateway first. It's working. Host 1 is not working. Good. Let's start configuring R1. First, let's check that we do not have any routing configured. Show IP route. That's pretty good. We only have the connected routes. So let's go ahead and add the static route here. So IP route, the IP address or the subnet we're trying to reach, and in that case it's 10.1.2.0/24, so that's 255.255.255.0. Now the next hop of the route, that would be R2, so that's 10.1.3.2. Alright, and that's the only static route required on R1, since, well, for the return traffic we are directly connected. Let's have a look at R2 now. Show IP route, just the connected routes. Now on R2 we actually need to add two static routes. One for the traffic going from host 1 to host 2, and one for the traffic going from host 2 to host 1. So let's do that. IP route 10.1.1.0/24, and from R2 to reach .1 the next hop would be R1. So with that IP here, 10.1.3.1. Need to add, now to reach host 2 we need to add the static route to reach this subnet here, 10.1.2.0/24. So I'll do that. IP route 10.1.2.0/255.255.255.0. Oh, I forgot the 2 here. Okay, and the next hop would be R3, this IP here, 1.4.1. Okay, let's jump to route 3. Same story, checking if anything is already configured, and we just have the connected routes. So for R3 we only have one route, since this subnet is directly connected. So we'll add 10.1.1.0/24. And the next hop would be R2, 10.1.4.2. Okay, I forgot the keyword route. Alright, so let's go back on host 1 and try to ping host 2. And that's working. Okay, we can ping both ways. So that's basically how you configure static routes.